Hello, my name is Michael Price from Inward Revenue. I'm a sales recruiter and I'm here to talk to you about an alliance sales role in the hyperautomation market. Client's UK-based company. I have actually dealt with them for 21 years, the whole of my recruitment career, and they've always had a really strong technology roadmap. These guys have been introducing me to technology in terms of their technology roadmap way before actually I've come across it in other parts of the market. And actually they've always been very much on the cutting edge. And what we're talking about now is hyperautomation, which is a combination of low code, AI, RPA, and general automation. And these words are out there in the mainstream, but this company was doing this 5 years ago. And lo and behold, they've stolen a march on other players in the sector. This role is an alliance management role. So if you have alliance experience, you'll know that's sitting between a partner, be it systems integrator, VAR, something like that, and the sales team. That's exactly what this is. From a functional perspective, I was talking to the client who I placed there, and he's been there a while now. He said, really, Mike, I'd expect them to have 2 or 3 opportunities per salesperson, and they're going to be engaging with 7 salespeople outside in this team. So the company have more than 7 salespeople, but actually with this particular solution set, they're looking at around 7 salespeople are the ones that are selling it. And it's about 50-50 in terms of existing partners and new partner recruitment. What they're looking for, and I use a Venn diagram a lot, so I guess you may have seen this before, is the client has 3 requirement circles. One is the person, one is the tech that's sold, one is the vertical. In the personal background, what they're looking for, and this is essentially somebody who's got alliance and indirect experience. Now I use the word indirect because obviously some of the bigger vendors, they have salespeople, but actually quite a lot of the work is working with the channel. And I was talking to my guy about this and said, what if somebody worked for, a company, let's say Boracle, who are a big software company. And he said, well, if they worked at Boracle, Mike, what would happen is there'll be an end user salesperson, but there'll be a lot of channel fulfillment. So, they'd have the right type of experience. From a tech perspective, they're involved in hyperautomation, AI, RPA, automation, and RPA. So obviously you've got that experience, that's great, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that. If you worked for a big ECM player or a big CRM player, an ERP business, anything like that would work. Vertical's not important. This company sells to a range of verticals, including public sector, healthcare, finance, insurance, retail and manufacturing. So actually any vertical experience will be fine. Package 80k basic, 160 OTE, standard stuff that you'd expect, car allowance, home working, etc, etc. If you're interested, my details are on the screen. It's michael@inwardrevenue.co.uk, telephone 07908 594926. Thank you.